Okay, so there is a question that why Clostridium perfringens causes gas gangrene, why other Clostridium groups causes other diseases. Clostridium perfringens causes gas gangrene type infections, while a patient or a farmer having infections, bully, and a gangrenous, gas gangrenous type of infections. So it is caused by anaerobic spore farming gram-positive rods and release alpha toxins, lecithinase, and they cause necrolysis tissues and crepitus on palpitation. So Clostridium perfringens comes immediately in the mind because it can cause gas gangrene. So there are some other members or groups of Clostridium family that causes other disease like Clostridium tetani causes tetanus. How can we prevent it? With the help of anti-tetanus serum. Now it can cause muscle rigidity, lockjaw, opisthotosin position, and no gas production and no crepitus to rule out whether it is pharyngitis or tetany. Another is Pseudomonas aeruginosa. It causes burn infection, but they are blue-green in color, and we have to diagnose according to that. Do not produce gas in tissue, and do not give particular pharyngitis type scenario. Tetany causes spasmodic movement and the uh, lockjaw type of features. Bacillus anthrax is an anthrax. It is caused by anthrax and it is painless ulcer with black easters, no gas formation. So Bacillus anthrax is for that. As you can see here, the gas and wound and farmer due to infection, that is pharyngitis, and you can memorize it with the help of pharyngeal cast cylinder fat gaya, and that results into loss of gas and gas gangrene because of Clostridium perfringens. So this is the thing. I hope that it makes sense and you can easily memorize that thing. So Clostridium perfringens helps in this way. You can easily memorize for that. Clostridium perfringens for gas gangrene, Clostridium tetani for tetanus, and anthrax for anthrax, and crepitus or the green blue color infection after burns is Clostridium or the uh, Pseudomonas aeruginosa. So these are type of the infections that are found in different type of organisms, and you have to keep that thing in the mind regarding to that. So that is very important for exam point of view. Another one is liver parenchyma develops from endoderm. Liver parenchyma develops from endoderm, and you have to also memorize it what kind of structures are coming from what kind of development as well. You have to memorize anatomy, physiology, pathology, diseases, treatment, management, lab protocols, and everything like that, surgery. But you have to also memorize the embryology as well as histology in order to understand it in better way. The fusion of spinous process from the sacrum, from which structure that is median sacral crest, median sacral crest, and it is fusion of spinous process of sacrum by median sacral crest. Okay, it is very important. So next one is the long stem cell sustained eosinophilic reason is loss of RNA, and necrosis at a specific site is caseous necrosis occurs because of lymphocytes, and then the sputum culture reveal granuloma, and it is sarcoidosis, non-caseating granuloma is found, and sarcoidosis.